2007 Dodge Ram 1500 Mega Cab, four-wheel drive. This was a trade-in. The person that traded it in bought a diesel from us. Bought the exact same truck, but it was a diesel. Well, this is a one-owner vehicle. No accidents, in amazing condition. Not a door ding, rock, chip, or scratch on it. All four tires are in decent shape. Has the tow package. Sprayed bed liner. Alloy wheels. One owner. SLT. For the price we're asking, truck is actually really nice. Texas vehicle. Cloth seats. As you can see, not your typical Dodge cloth. Everything's in immaculate condition. No cracks on the dash. No cracks on the center console. No rips on the seats. Power windows, locks, and mirrors. 4x4. Back seats are in amazing condition. All the carpeting, non-smoker, in amazing condition. (2007) Dodge Ram Mega Cab, 5.7 liter 8-cylinder engine, 4x4, in like new condition.